All right, so I ended up buying these cables here, which are going to be the 90-degree bent cables, which come in handy, for instance, in this kind of a case. This case is not custom built for the Denon Prime 4. I believe that they actually do make them, specifically for the measurements for the Prime 4. And in doing so, a friend of mine, a good friend of mine, gave me this case for free. And this is where these 90-degree plugs come in handy. Because if you were to plug these in here straight, I mean, these will be hidden right here in the back. And honestly, you don't want that. These are for the XLRs, the speakers. And I'll be doing an update on these.